miokoni ya chathi cha kumuma cia Raila na atongo ikivathukanio maimulilikana undu mana mwesi mututia Raila Odinga. Janito Erastus Kithukua Nzomo na Kesharo Ndinda aliula mauvo akwanzia ya meko na kwa oyitu ambe kuona amwe kati walatu manengete wito.
Alatu kumbanesye ni vamwe na
musi wa mututia Raila Odinga kumuwetata mundu na ivata na muwona uumwe wa nthi. President Ruto na Uhuru Kenyatta kukathia Raila kwa kuthukuma na serikali. Makilima enende kufika chathini cha kuvoya mwi wa Raila atongo imayendeka mose muvwano wake. Na gavana wa tene wa Kitui Charity Ngilu kumuweta Raila tauna ngomba ukwa kukitia Akenya.
Ningi wa mauvo.
Kalivo ni umanyithie na watundu tuika kila muthenya twithana ikulio ya muthenya na umuthi tukulitie kikuo cha Raila Odinga kina ukuno mwao nthini wa uni wa uteti wa President William Ruto. Kikuo cha Raila Odinga kina ukuno mwao nthini wa uteti wa uni kana uni wa uteti wa President William Ruto likana mana nthini wa serikali ya broad based na yona Raila kutiwa ni thayu yu pedha na ukono mwao nthini wa uni wa uteti wa Ruto. Tuma utomani wagu kwisela ile itatu kenda imwitano kana mitandao ni itwa ya mikumu kanili ile itatu kenda imwitano ambia na ndeto Mutongoi TV. Tuambie mauvo maitu musi wa ula wa minister munene Raila Odinga ni wa mumeta mututia tamundu unaivata na muwo na ngwatanio na kwenda Akenya mose muvwano wake. Muka wa Raila Mwandu Aida Odinga ni waweta Raila ta unamenete ulusanina itomo mwitu wake Winnie Odinga na ke ni waelesia undu ithe unatiwe ni thayo emoko ni make kuyanthi ya India. Mane ni achari ni chambo ya siamui wa mututia Raila kiwanzani cha Nyayo Stadium musini wa Ilovi. Beni Musau ni wako tuvingo ya vilingi na ilivote.
Musi wa ula wa Prime Minister wambe mututia Raila Odinga ni wa mulilikana hata unai muome ithe na mundu unendete nthi yake muka wake Aida aimulilikana hata mundu unavuye ya mbeo ya muwo aiweta miaka 50 na elila mekalania mutwanoni Akenya memwita ithe wo kana baba nundu anosa kila umweta ula wake mundu unamenete tomo na ulusani.
One thing that he kept on repeating to me is that we must urge Kenyans to live in peace. Raila hated dishonesty. He hated dishonesty. He hated greed. The greed that have affected the main fabric of our society. The greed that leads to stealing from the public coffers. The greed that leads to corruptions. That's the kind of thing that Raila would not have liked to see.
Mwitu wake Winnie Odinga waweta vinyolo na inaithe onandakika nisia mwiso aimuweta tangumba o nake mwitu wake Rosemary aimulikana ithe tamunyanya mutai na mundu wakoso tamuviano.
He died strong when with dignity and with pride. And you must be proud of that. You all must also walk with your heads held high and walk strong and proud that he left as a gentleman.
To me, he was my advisor. He was a friend. He was also someone who understood me very well and my children and my siblings.
Raila Odinga Junior mwanae wa mututia Raila Odinga ndini wa kumeta ithe ni wamwikithia kana no kusovia musi wo nyinya wake Aida na etua nya Rosemary na Winnie.
Thank you for believing in me, encouraging me to speak up and to try new things, for always hearing me out. Thank you for your wisdom, your guidance, and your unwavering love, not just for me, but our entire family. Mama, Fidel, Rosie, Winnie, Yvonne, Lion Amolo Odinga, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga.
Kuma kwi masito akivathukanyo ala mututi oneskie na nthi yonthe Baba Ngumbau Tinga kati wa angi isitwa Raila yendea na kutua ilekoni cia aingi.
My brother loved justice from the beginning. He loved to hear news, and one day he was late in school, and when the teacher asked him what he was doing, he said he was still listening to the radio. He wanted to hear news. And he was only at standard 3, standard 4. So Raila was a no-nonsense man. He entertained no mediocrity. Raila did not want mediocrity.
Vilingi wa Movo Mutongo TV, nyenita wa Ben Mosao.
Tuwa mauvoni angitasunikana chali cha kuvoya mwiwa ula wa minister munene Raila Odinga ne chatwe wa umunthe kiwanzani cha Nyayo musine wa Ilovi na kuvikoni makili ma enende mwiwa Raila ufikiwe Nyayo mwendoni wa saa 3 na ndatika miongo 45 sia kwa cha na kuthiugwe kiwanzani ki uungua usese imuvyo wa movisa ma ita chariki kitongwewe ni serikali na kanisa wa ACK. Mwandikitu wa Mauvo Mulinge nukutusolela visa wa maundumbe ilie Nyayo.
Ndateka mbudho tunakuma nombani ya kusovia meya kuya lifi na room kwa chakumu wa mrutia Prime Minister Raila Odinga ufikiwe na koko umamiako ni ya bunge ya katifa la President William Ruto longa mio uvonge wa executive. Madha kome ulonga mio kava wa kotika na judiciary pamwena Moses Wetangula ulonga mio kava wa kusovia meya wakana legislature. Makwati yevuso ya kusisi ambe wa musi wa mrutia Raila Odinga otonguwe mukama Maida Odinga. Na Raila Odinga Junior lokile kingoyo luwa uwe kuwende ya kumumeta idhewo kwika Kicho ndeke kikiembe watongu ya suna angelame vikite kuisia mweusu kwa mbisi savali ya kuthiki wanzani chanya ya valambo ya simu nasi ya kumuma siya mrutia Mr. Odinga siya atoiwa. Vala President William Ruto imutongo wa mwiso kufika ndateka mbudhumbi wa mwiwa Mr. Odinga kutona lela kiwanzani kichanya ya ungu osungiwa maofisa maosesei. Namba nene alame vikita kwa mbwa ime kwa tevusu wa kuona isandoko ya mroti ende kwa vasa vaini ula wambisi kuthiu kwa kiwanzani kicha nyambe wa kunga mwekatekate wa kiwanza ki. Valamu wa iwasi unengani program kwa kanisa wa Anglican Church of Kenya unenini wa mutafanya mwenene wa chathiki kwa sofa nene mutu ula wambigweni atetiva andhi ya Kenya. Kwa kutumia ilovia kumanda uwati kendo kila watatayuno wa Mr. Odinga kiyaedhi wa kumana na kikwitha manda uwati kuisila uneni wa kibaya ndateti kwa sa mutu osu wa Mr. Odinga.
Baba is one such politician that never used the power of money to intimidate people or to lure followers. Today we have very bad manners amongst most of our politicians. They have taught our people the culture of handouts, that wherever you are, you must give part with money. And woe unto those who drive big vehicles, they are in trouble. Whenever you are seen, you are only seen in terms of money. What can you be able to give? Baba Raila Amolo Odinga never used the power of his wallet as a convincing tool to others, but he used the power of persuasion. He used the power of persuasion.
Uvadhokono nondo vevane wembene kwa mwiwa Odinga kwa mamusi kwake Karen musini wa Nairobi mbewa kutoa musini wa Kisumu wa dhantatu mwiwa wake watongwa nombani ya kusofia mea kuya lifi na roho mvaloko kwa mbewa kukua na ndeke mbigi ya Kisumu ni kwa chene kanako nenga ivuso nende kuila ula kiwanza ni chama mboleo naende mathiko maitwai wa chuma kim. Dilivotia Mutongo TV, jenito wa Mulei Mulinge.
Tuwa mauvoni azunikana itina wa mwi wa ulawa minister munene Raila Odinga kuvikava Kenya kwi iyo kumandhi ya India enende kuwona kiwanzani chaka Saharani na itina kutoa nyumbani ya kusuvia akuya ali kwi umundi kioko mwi unutuwe mawakone mambunge kuilikanwa kana President Ruto nuna tangasi madhiko mara ila tamaki serikali kana state funeral. Yo state funeral ni chao na ni makwata mwanya wakonewa madhiko ta ni atongu imeva ndini wa historia ya Kenya miyo ya atwa wa mbungeni. Nikienda kusungia mokulio mwandiki witu Meshak Zain David ni watumbanisia ngewa kwa William Siaisi.
Madhiko maki serikali kana state funeral ni mwe katika wandaye ya si mwanya ila inengana wenendi na valandi kwa umwe inengana enda ya si amudhiana si mwanya kwa atongoi na enendi alame kasindu si vatra muno kati wa historia ya ndi na hala matangasa wa ni musumbi. Matuko 15 mwezi wa 10 mwaka wa 2025 Musumbi William Ruto ni watangasi madhiko maki serikali mara ila Amolo Odinga mwanasiasa mukiti wa demokrasia na ingi wala wa minister munene onakwidhu wandaisa idhu wa Musumbi bandi ya Kenya. Madhiko maki serikali vaimu ya ona umwe indi ni utangaso unengane weni Musumbi na ndaye ya itanengane we kwa anduonde indi oala mawiko mo makalilikana wa kumambe ya Kenya ya kwata wiadhi kati wahala maane wa madhiko na miyo ya atoa wambungeni ni Evo Musumbi wa mbe mzee Jomo Kenyatta mwaka ni wangili umwe maana kenda miongo mwonda na nana Musumbi wa Keli Daniel Arap Moi mwaka ni wangili na miongo eli Musumbi wa katatu Mwai Kibaki mwaka ni wangili miongo eli na ile na wala wa munini wa Musumbi Michael Wamalwa wala wesikie munota kijana Wamalwa mwaka ni wangili na itatu na wawayu Raila Odinga. Angi alamane wa madhiko wani wala wa Musumbi wa mawithi ululuko wa Gari Madhai Musembi munene vandi ya Kenya Kevin Kiptum na wala wa munene waita Francis Ongola. Madhiko hani wana niyo wanda ya si mwanya kwa Raila Odinga aina ngwanda ya imundu ivinda yemwa minister munene ukitia demokrasia na katiba ke uvandi ya Kenya.
We thank you for everything.
Vilingi wa mauvo Mutongoi TV ni ito wanze Meshak kiwa David
ni muvea mundu Meshak na inde yuni wamanya niki tia tongwi onde manenga wa madhiko ta asu na wamanya asu ni madhiko mamo thembo mo inde nitukitha twisi waka inge nyayo itina wandatika iteba sa kwe woneni wa President Ruto na ulona President Uhuru Kenyatta inde kwa oyu ndongoi ya chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka ni wawetakana ini vinda yumu muno kwake na kwa nde ya Kenya kumana na kikuo cha ula wa minister munene murutia Raila Odinga. Kalonzo ni waweta tawasi ya munyanya wa ivinda yasa na ula methi to imwe maunduni maki uteti anena itina wakufika Kenya au mete London UK itina wakuungamia ndamboka yake ya mithenya 10 ndi isu.
I received news about the passing on of our brother Raila Odinga. I just arrived at Heathrow, London Heathrow, so I've literally made a turnaround. I had only one event and then took off. And I just want to take this opportunity to mourn with all of us, particularly Mama Ida, Winnie, Rosemary, and Junior, the entire family of Odingas, Dr. Oburu, and all fellow Kenyans. The reality that our brother is not here with us has really not sunk. And so I will have time to speak. I'm happy I was able to manage to at least get back to be able to bid him farewell in person.
na nundu nusio mundu athana kindu akanenga nene na kwa athaka na ngonenga ngewa ya President Ruto na Uhuru na yu ngewesu ileta o President William Ruto na ula unai President na uthiumwe ya Uhuru Kenyatta ni makathi ya ukumba wa ula mutongoi wa ODM mututia Raila Odinga kwa muungamo wake wa gutambuja kuoko na gutwika serikali ya OU na serikali mbetu maiweta waiwona niyo wa ukumba munene wa mutongoi unendete nthi yake mbe wa Mount Onthe. Uhuru ni wa kule enenthi methwe metho na kuungamana ivindi ya muongo kusese ya aki cia musingi cia enenthi ciikatete kuvulukwa ni serikali ya OU aiweta uone wo unai muungamo wa Raila ni chathini cha kuvoya mwe wa Raila vala ateti ma ulei matongwe ni munini wa Raila kwa ivinda yasa utetini wa usumbi mutongwe wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka matana kwata mwanya wa kunena na enenthi kiwanzani cha Nyayo. Benjamin Mwaka nuko livote.
Nimboyani isi madhiko kolo na mutongwe wa chama cha ODM mtutia Raila Odinga vala President William Ruto nolo na President na adhi umwewe ya Uhuru Kenyatta kwa wasio mwe ni makathi ya unyanya wa mtutia Raila OU na serikali mbetu maiweta anatuye ayete mbe umwandhe mbe wasindu sionde vinda yonde lava umelavato wa kweka OU.
Whenever the nation needed him to rise above self, he always did unreservedly. Whenever Kenya needed reason, he became the voice of reason courageously. And whenever the country needed a hand of reconciliation, he offered it without hesitation.
Na tulimuita baba kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga alipenda nchi yake Kenya kuliko kitu kingine chochote.
Ato President unadhi umwewe ya Uhuru Kenyatta haikathi ya muungamo wa Raila nthini wa kutetea kisamanya nthi ni wata Kenya maende kunena kwa wasia mukali kukuma ni etambia yonde ya kutata kuvuluka akisio siwila sikineta muno ungu wa serikali ya OU.
Leo hii tukiwa tunaaga baba yetu Raila Amolo Odinga, nataka pia tujiape ya kwamba hatutakubali kama Wakenya haki za kibinadamu, demokrasia na mambo yale yote ambayo Raila alitetea, hatutakubali arudi nyuma.
Kwa President William Ruto ngalikoni yake na watandu yake na mtutia Raila Odinga wanakuchika ya ambia sene vindani ya usauwa na utatuwa chama cha ODM univanini mneno mwaka wa ngili na mwonza inae hevu soye mwana unyanya kusiokianua kwa mwingi mwaka wa serikali ya broad-based.
I have come a very long way with Baba. When I stood by him with the other Pentagon members at a defining moment in his and our nation's history, I neither knew that one day we would find ourselves on opposite sides, nor could I have imagined that years later he would stand by me, this time to steady the nation and to help anchor my leadership, culminating in the birth of the broad-based government.
Indo uovo uleiwo ndivona mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ulosokethizia vamusie kiokoni cha umonde kuma kuyongelesa nogana kukwatiania na enende misani ya kumuvolia na kulika na utongoi wa mtutia Raila Odinga.
The reality that our brother is not here with us has really not sunk. And so I will have time to speak. I'm happy I was able to manage to at least get back to be able to bid him farewell in person.
Mfayumo wo unakwata mwana wa kunena kumulika na Raila tamutongoi na munyanya utatini walei aingi maenende mayukile maukuli kwa kunyaniki Kalonzo uvatuwa mwana wa kunena ota itino wa kwithwa hethi utatini wa Raila kwa ilungu ya miaka 15 OU.
Organizing committee ya matanga ya baba. Baba alipenda Kalonzo, Kalonzo alipenda baba. Mbona hamjamtambua? Mbona hamjampatia nafasi aongee?
It's unfortunate because it's a state funeral, they should actually have recognized the official opposition to say something. That's what Raila Odinga would have wanted to do. But you can see even the way Kindiki announced the name that some of us around there with his usual small voice, nobody could hear, all right? But it's okay.
Vilengwa mavu kumavaa musiano ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwakam.
Na hindi livoti su ni kutuwa ndeni wa udhiumo mukuvi na ngwese wethina maovo wangi endi nila namba kuthi udhiumo ni umunde tiukulitie we musiaise uyona uni wa uteti wa President William Ruto witha wili hata itina wa kikucha Raila Odinga kikucha Raila Odinga kina ukuno mwao dheni wa uni wa uteti wa President William Ruto na endi wetu mautumani wangu kwesala ili itetu kiende mwitano na uyambia na ndeto Mutongo TV kana mitandao ni jitu ya mikumu kanilie na undaviewe kwa honi wa kuyona uteti wili ata pe mundu kwasia atongo ima ODM makethi wana mwaniko na Ruto ayithiwa na mawumo kumakwatanya nitawa James Musyoki nunguni kilungu na indi utumani ungi umwe nikaenda tuthi umone Mutongo TV mwatindada nesa nitawa Kalunga ni kwa dia tomoka kumangaliko sia kuya mwingi katoteni nani asia Ruto yul ndatoboa atena Raila na indi ndabio wona hata one wa President William Ruto uteti wake muno wa 2027 witha wili hata itina wakikucha Raila Odinga tukathibasa ovombe yange ni mokite
Useo wa Mutongoi ethambe kutongoe siambai na kumionele lianzia ila itona kumiuna kitumi kiu Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya mukamba nitwaili lianzia sia kutwiloela na twaili ya maundu kwa kuongelanga isio ila utona utukwatia wiki lavandu ndi ya Kenya kamemeni kaku kama visa yu nowelo ele Mutongoi TV kwisela dekoda ya kuya Go TV Zuku Star Times na Indi free to air wetukwatia kwa Signet na Pang Scan TV kana dekoda ya ku OU ni kana kutania ilungu sito na kukwata mauvoma kuikika kila muthena Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya mukamba
Mukamba ni wese uimani udhui na kwa uondo ilite kubatithia na uima waku wamwe Rafiki Herbal Clinic ungua Herbal Dr. Mwithia nizo kliniki chanda wasi ametikila kitongo etia kwa uiti mwithianu na wanda wasiki ukunikili waki science nitu itama ukibadhukanyo ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, arthritis, kulea kusia kwa mbatoni ndakame ukosabina wa kiume, mauma kekonde, asma, mauma metambo, fibroids, sukali na mauange komana na Herbal Dr. Mwithia kila chumwa wa uikala wa kwa mbele ile matuku na datu mwe 10 Makindu Sky Go Shops kuthengena na Police Post kuthengena na Total Petrol Station kungethanisia na Mumbuni Driving School wa kile matuku na anatu kathonzweni windisha kazi na Wangomeni Hotel duka namba 3 kungethanisia na Kilome Hotel wa kadatu matuku na 5 tumatiliku Chambio Inn kwa Kinguti matanisioni machangwa sei na Kilele wa kana matuku na 3 Mombasa tujibebe wa Kenya Party House kuthengena na KCB Mwembetari branch kwa Shibroad kuthengena na Naivas Supermarket wengi wa kana suma matuku na 3 Kibwezi kuthengena na Tumeni Clinic kwa Chola Sivitali wakatana matuku na Mwanza tu wote katika tutazama Agrovet na Cecil Hotel Marikitu Likeloni Wamboka na watandatu matuku na 8 Tuikambuti na Wakanzi Supermarket kungethanisia na Blessed Kanani Hotel kwa maovombe ange tuthoke mobisi na maitu alama bingu wetu kila muthenya Dar es Salaam Ilobi Mombasa Masako wote Kitui Kibwezi na Emali kana tukunie simu kwesela noti Mwanza ile noti kenda noti kana noti Mwanza na ina ile 55 kana ututume SMS kana WhatsApp kwesela noti Mwanza imonoti kenda noti nyanya Rafiki Herbal Clinic we treat God heals.
Kalibu kalivo niende na kuomanyithia na indi tina wandateka itembi ingini thandio twayo mwekwa kwa ya Karen twegwe ilanza metongwe nikindiki na Oburu Oginga ya kuvangithia mathiko ma Raila ondu ikwasya indi kwa oyu tusonge mbele na maovo maitu ula wa governor wa county ya Kitui Mwandu Charity Kalukingilu ni wamweta mututia Raila Odinga ta mutongwe unaina ukumbau na utanai yendete na unaokitia akisia Kenya atena via ainene ya kisioni cha kini Kitui East Ngilo na ula withitwe na Raila kwa ivinda ya sautetini ni waweta kithito cha mututia kukitia aki na demokrasia va Kenya kikadilikana wanthi ni wa historia ya uteti governor uwa tene ingi ni wenda atongo iva ukamba mati ya makinya ma Raila kwa kuungama na Andumo Honest Chalo na ilivote
na gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Mwandu Charity Ngilu ni wamometa mutongo wa chama cha ODM mututia Raila Odinga na kumweta mutongo unosutwa no kuomba na kuungamana umwe wa kutetea kisia NND kuma mutongo wa president mututia Arap Moi muvakola wa president William Ruto
toya kwenda munyanya bitu nondo gineno kwa Raila Amolo Odinga ni mundu unaokitia Kenya yonde kinele chayu mala na kuno wona ipinya wa kukeleya serikali oneza niku akeleya Moi okitie na Moi yesa omina na nakano utwaga umuterese twenga usukumia ni mwizi ndo noka kusukumia twaligana kana Kibaki naona Kibaki yete ngefuke kwa mwa tuyabangi tuwo ana usane soka ana dede ya huru ana soka utende ya Ruto abalukile eto bese tutu kama yulika parliament Raila sia ndini nene kwi nye mweme kabanga tete sia ndiki ndakame
ainene akini lines ambani Kitui East Ngilo no amenda atongo kumabao kamba kwa samuvano wa Raila Odinga na kwithia no kumba wa kuungama na mapata ma NND wala wetakana ndi ya Kenya nda atongo meno kumba na matena vya wako kwa serikali ile kuvetisia NND na kwikithia Kenya ni makwa atongo imoseo
mundi ni muthenya wake nitwa ise mutongo imunene wa ukitiendi na tuiboya nga yatunenge mutongo yungo wa ukeleya utawia utakula siandana kula siandari wake ngilika opposition utongo ine na mwenye kindu kini very dangerous hamu nunu na kuwa wa nundu serikali lingu ine ukona najui ibu tabiunga mbia hii ana nena nga uchari unoka katwanu alame uchachi wangu Chong ila mterezi anu maitu mayage kuwa wana tuide tutonya umeke ya wasi ya uo na mina asisa na kulia wama moili value wa compassion nye kulia ni kelele nyana mundu ito wa Ruto na anga mutabia apana luiku inyi no mo mutabi Nesho ngati da nandu ma ukele ya yemeyo witwike ya binya toka manya tuikele ya to akune wana ku Ruto ko bandu ko bandu bendo
ona weyo vangilo no amakuli NND na mokunena ila mona maundu motongo mena kivindu iweta kana NND ni mele kwithia meno thi wa kumioneni na valo kweta tongo musia na maendeo makone kevindani la NND makedho meno thi wa kunena mona wonzu kati wotongo yi
ohu monde kaini mutabia ona itu pasia mitu nukadinde mona mwekwa nai nena ina wase mutulu na wiba labo ni mapati ndo basi mwikabinda si Ase usuwa Raila omande omundungi ona kuka matumande mundungi
Ivota Vlingwa Movomo Tongo TV Neto Onesmus Chalo
ni muvea Ones na ndio tondo nina kwathane kana yemwe kwa yemwe ndatu thinginya ku ya Karen musini wa Ilovi twiwe ilanzama ya kuvangithia mathiko ma Raila Odinga etongwe ni munini wa president Kithure Kindiki undu eno kwase
Fellow Kenyans, good evening. Today, the state funeral service for our departed leader, former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, took place at the Nyayo National Stadium, Nairobi, between 9:30 a.m. and 12:30 p.m. The service was attended by thousands of mourning Kenyans. The entire political leadership of Kenya, led by President William Ruto and retired President Uhuru Kenyatta, heads of the legislature and the judiciary attended. The two speakers of parliament, as well as the Chief Justice, were present. Governors, senators, members of the county assemblies, cabinet ministers, principal secretaries, senior government officials, the clergy, grassroots leaders, the ODM leadership and members from across Kenya, and hundreds of other dignitaries. The Odinga family, the presidents of Tanzania, Somalia, and Ethiopia, the vice president of Tanzania, and the interior minister of Rwanda, who was representing President Kagame, also attended. The committee is pleased to note the overwhelming turnout in the very important exercise that has taken place today. And the committee notes with appreciation many world leaders who brought not only their presence for those who came, but also the many world leaders who sent their messages of condolences formally through note verbals received by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of our country. I know I did acknowledge the condolences that had been received by that time, but after we have left the stadium, we have received a few more condolences from world leaders. So allow me to, for the record, acknowledge the condolences that have been received from Her Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of Tanzania, who besides that sent a high-level delegation, which included Vice President Dr. Philip Mpango, retired President Jakaya Kikwete, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Tanzania. We are grateful to President Yoweri Museveni of Uganda, who sent the message of condolences formally, President Paul Kagame, who also sent the Interior Minister to represent him physically, President of Somalia, Hassan Sheikh Mohammed, who sent condolences and also came in person, Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed, the President of Djibouti, Ismail Omar Gele, the President of the Republic of Zambia, Hakainde Hichilema, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Mahama, the President of the Republic of Burundi, His Excellency Evariste Ndayishimiye, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, His Excellency Mada Julius Bio, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Emerson Mnangagwa, the President of the Republic of the Gambia, His Excellency Adama Barrow, the President of the Republic of South Africa, His Excellency Cyril Ramaphosa and a close friend of the Prime Minister who has left us, the Prime Minister of the Republic of India, Narendra Modi, also a close friend to the departed Prime Minister, the President of the Democratic Republic of Congo, His Excellency Felix Tshisekedi, His Royal Highness Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, the King of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud, and we also have received condolences from the government of France through the French embassy in Nairobi. Allow me, for the record also, to record condolences from the Minister for International Development and Africa of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Jenny Chapman. I also acknowledge the condolences received from Antonio Guterres, Secretary General of the United Nations, Mahmoud Yusuf, the Chairperson of the African Union Commission, the European Union, the Executive Secretary of IGAD, Dr. Wokde Genehbeu, the Director General of the World Health Organization, Tedros Ghebreyesus, the Executive Secretary for United Nations Commission for Africa, Cleva Gatei, the Assistant Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations, Luis Francesi, the Secretary General of East African Community, Veronica Nduva, but we have also the condolences of the Chairman of the United States Senate Committee on Foreign Relations, Senator James Risch, the embassies of Italy, the government of Australia, the government of Canada, the government of the Russian Federation, the government of the People's Republic of China. And you can see for yourself who the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga was, not just for Kenya, but to the world. As the National Committee on the State Funeral of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga, we are very grateful to all those who condoled with Kenya, and we don't take it for granted that our leader has. I'd like to say a few more things before I invite my co-chair to say a few things and we close this briefing. And I would like to add that before the funeral service, another important event took place, and again we are grateful that we were able to have the mortal remains of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga lie in state at Parliament buildings. It was our intention yesterday, it wasn't possible. It was possible this morning, and we are very grateful to Parliament for facilitating that important state's rights. And in Parliament, the legislators were able to give their respects to our fallen leader, and also all the three arms of government were represented. The executive, led by President William Ruto, the two speakers of parliament, and the Chief Justice Martha Koome, who also graced the occasion and also graced the event in Nyayo Stadium. I also must appreciate there are many other leaders whom I cannot mention, especially at Nyayo Stadium, and I did note the other time at the stadium that former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, among others, were also present. And therefore, it is also important to announce to the country that we are pleased with what has happened in the afternoon. We had another event again, and that is the public viewing of the mortal remains of our departed leader. Thousands of mourners, members of the public, the rank and file, supporters and fellow citizens of our fallen leader were able to pay respects to the body of our leader. We are very pleased as a committee that that exercise, which just ended a few minutes to 5 p.m., has continued and ended peacefully, solemnly, and in utmost dignity, notwithstanding that there were thousands of people who patiently queued, waited, performed their respects, and left the stadium. We don't take it for granted. The National State Funeral Committee, therefore, announces that the second day of mourning has been a success and pleads with mourners to continue with the same spirit as the nation enters into the 3 days of mourning tomorrow. Allow me I've just remembered, I should have also appreciated the presence of the Vice President of South Sudan at the stadium, Excellency Rebecca Garang. I think I had mentioned during the event in the day. So we are happy the second day has come to an end. We are praying and pleading that tomorrow, the third day, will even be better. We will dignify our leader. We will respect our leader. We will mourn in dignity. It is heavy, but we must do everything to protect the image of our fallen leader and the image of Kenya, because Raila Odinga was a global leader. Therefore, tomorrow, Saturday, 18th of October 2025, the mortal remains of the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga will be airlifted to Mamboleo grounds in Kisumu by the Kenya Defence Forces, arriving at 8 a.m. or thereabouts. Members of the public are requested to be settled by 7 a.m. to dignify the arrival of the remains of our leader. There will be public viewing of the mortal remains of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga at Mamboleo grounds for most of the day until we are satisfied that everyone has had a chance to respect the remains of our leader. Thereafter, the body will be taken to Bondo for an overnight stay before burial on Sunday. The program for Sunday will be given tomorrow, and I want to announce that the committee will provide information about the events on Sunday, tomorrow at 7 p.m. But we will do that through a dispatch to media houses, because now we must relocate to Kisumu and Siaya to make sure that the remaining 2 days proceed as we expect them to proceed. Therefore, 7 p.m. tomorrow, there will be a media dispatch to inform members of the public on the program for Sunday as we finalize this very important exercise. We will not be taking any questions today. We have so many things we need to work on immediately after this. We are working throughout the night and then also making our way so that by morning we are able to take charge of the process on the other side. I will only allow the co-chairperson of this committee on behalf of the rest of us to maybe add one or two things, especially from the family perspectives, including what he might consider to be necessary for the public to know. It is now my pleasure to invite my elder brother, my co-chairman of this committee, Senator Dr. Oburu Oginga, whom I am very pleased to work with. And because after he speaks, I will not speak again, I want to thank all my colleagues that you see behind me here, who may not be speaking, but they are doing a great job. They are sacrificed their time. They are the ones responsible for some of the gains that you see we are making. All of them are appreciated individually. We have very senior leaders from the ODM party. We have members of the cabinet. We have family members. And I am very proud to be working with each one of these team members who have made my work very easy. Thank you very much. Senator Oburu, please say one or two things, and then after that we will leave it there. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Yeah, thank you, Your Excellency. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, I cannot repeat what my co-chair has said. I will only make remarks on the other aspect of this funeral. First, I want to also to take this opportunity to thank my colleagues. They have worked tirelessly since this committee was formed, and they have done a great job. I really appreciate, and I hope that they will continue with the same spirit until the whole process is over. I also want to thank the Deputy President for his very tireless work on this and a very, very diligent approach to all the issues which have come across, and the whole government since this matter started. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, for taking this matter personally. And he has been in touch with the family, and he has done all that could have been done by any other head of state to give my late brother the honors that he deserved as a statesman of this country. I also want to take this opportunity to appeal and plead with my people to be peaceful. I know the pains you feel as much as all of us do, but this is not a time to make anything which could cause harm and infamity to
na ndi asuni mauvo imwe kwa imwe kuma Karen na ni vala komiti mwanyelesa kwetwe kumbanya mathiko ma Raila Odinga arani state funeral kana mathiko ma serikali tongwe ni munini wa president Kithure Kindiki na mwana inya wa Raila Odinga senator wa Siaya Oburu Oginga wamami na kunena oyu na nienda kuotapi okwa mituki kila metha mainene tuambie na Oburu rawane na wa muthia ni watungia muvya komiti ino ye mwanya nondo wa kwikithia ni mavangithia mathiko ma mwana inya ne sodo violate itungia muvya serikali na president William Ruto nondo akosa undu na wito munene Kindiki na kene metha ina maundu kauta chambe ni watungia enende muvya nondo wa kuyumilia umuthi chathine cha kuvoya Raila Odinga kana mwe wa Raila kuya Nyayo Stadium balama kilima enende mevikite na oingi atungia muvea atongo ima kumandiki pathokanganio nthi cia ilembete Africa ya Africa umiloni wa sua Africa na ndiyo nthi alamethi maituma ngeli cia ukiexio kwa musie na Kenya na ndi matalanya onthe nondo ni yaingi alawetha iweta kingi ni watunga kana ni watungia muvene nthi nondo wa kutuma nyamugo iseso ni ya kusisia mwe wa Raila kwi umuthi Nyayo Stadium iseso ila wawetakana ithelile masaa ni mavuthu kana ndatika mbuthu titapikite mwendoni wa saa 11 iya mawuyo na indi ni wasekana iseso ya kuona mwe iona umuthi ni athinesa na mugo na indi uyu ketina wa iyo kulivotiwa kana kwi andweli mana wetakana ata manathiwe na matiwe ni thayo kuya kasarani na indi cha muthia ni kana mwe wa Raila Odinga umuthi wako mali na une ukatwawa na ndeke ya KDF na uifika kiwanzani cha Mamboleo kuya Kisumu ukatwawa kiwanzani cha Mamboleo Kisumu mwendoni wa saa ile cia kwacha enendi ala me kuvikavo kuona mwe wa Raila meendeka mekalendi methe mediendi mwendoni wa saa umwe cia kiokoni na indi hease une saa umwe wa wiyo makanengane statement kana mauvo kwi nyumba cia mauvo museisha mauvo zetu tukatwendea kuatiana na mona nondo wa masaa tu ivikava huyu thini wa uvilingi wa mauvo mautumani yulwa ikulu yitu ningosoma saa 3:30 thini wa vilingi ungi kwa oyuti wanesa nitwa Rasas Kithoku Anzomo Sharon Ndinda adula mauvo kwanzia ya meko